Hey, I'm Jingles from Road Adventures. I'm here to show you how to hook up your power. First of all, you go to your main source. You hook it up right there. Then you come over to your trailer. You take your twist on into your pilot here. You'll have one on the 30 amp. You'll have one little curve, 90 degree. Have it there too. Make sure that goes right in there. And then twist. Then you got this little screw on. You screw that on till it's tight and your power is good. Now the same thing goes with unhooking. You just untwist this piece right here and then unplug it, you twist and take it off, you're good to go. Unhook your main power and take your cord, wrap it up and put it in your wherever you keep it.